Hey guys, we're doing the grom chain today. Cheer. These little caps screw off in case someone's wondering, you know. Other grom videos might not have the frame sliders, you know. Someone with the frame, they don't know. I don't know. Shouldn't be another one, yeah. I'll make that one first. Is that a part of? Yeah. What's that? Yeah, yeah. It's just two bolts holding that one on. You can get a glimpse inside there. It doesn't look as dirty as there's still a lot of crud in there, but I've seen a lot worse. Find the master link. There it is. Oh.
Is that a good spot for it?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Boom. Off she comes. And get my pin breaker thing actually, that might be. That's fucking. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, back with the chain breaking tool. Yeah, I was hoping the pins would just push out, but there she goes. Fucking. I don't know, guys. Is that normal for a grom for the front sprocket to be like that? It looks like it's missing a like it's missing a washer or something. We'll clean up this shit with the Yeah, I would have got new sprockets, man. That sprocket's fucking on its way out hard. It's definitely seen better days, and then that doesn't seem right. Bizarre. That's like, look how much play is in it. Like, if I hold the shaft steady. Alright, we'll be right back, guys. We'll have to loosen the rear sprocket. Need to bring it forward. Yeah, one's 10 and the other's like 12 or. Okay, we'll try now. Yeah, there's like a washer that's catching that lip, I think. Where's the 14? fuck, that's why. I needed to loosen this one a bit more. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I was right, I was like, it can't be that tight either, because you want a bit of slack when we adjust it at the end, like. Yeah, no, we're good now. That gave us, boom, there we go. Hey. Now the important thing with a clip chain is that you get the clip the right way. So the wheel spins that way, the chain goes that way. So we want it like that, so that's spinning around. It's not going to come off. Bam, she's on. Clip our cable tie. Too loose. Box spanners. See where that's got us. Too tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a mil. 1, 2 in a mil. So this one needs to. Now both sides of 1, 2, 3, 4 in a mil. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a mil. And we'll double check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exactly one plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exactly one plate. This will be the last part of the video. Most important thing, torque your fucking rear wheel nut. Oh yeah, so for the grom, it's 44 foot-pound or 60 newton meters. And then when you're finished with your torque wrench, you want to back it down to the lowest setting.